बहुत ही शानदार प्रस्तुति। धन्यवाद संगीत विभाग को। अब मैं आमंत्रित करता हूं प्रतिभा पंडित मैडम को कि वो आए और आज के इस शुभ अवसर पर, बाल दिवस के अवसर पर अपने विचार व्यक्त करें। माननीय प्रतिभा पंडित मैडम।
Honorable Principal Sir, respected teachers, and my dear students, warm greetings to everyone. Firstly, I would like to wish a very happy Children's Day to all my admirable students. I think I will not be wrong in saying that all the teachers of this school have built a strong association and wonderful memories with all their students. We respect your gratitude but this is the day when we get an opportunity to do something for you all. I believe the teachers become educators not because of their knowledge, but the students play a vital role in their lives. They make us feel the importance of the teacher in their life. At some instances, we scold you, but that does not justify that we dislike you. We all love and admire you and see you all to climb the ladder of success by facing all the challenges of life in a practical way. I would like to share that our happiness and grief is connected with you all. When you are sad, we feel miserable and we want you to get up and fight with those instances and to adopt a never giving up attitude in your lives. We always and will persuade you to walk on the right direction. Even students, if you fail at any point of time in your life, mark my words that after every dawn there is a sunrise. Failures are the part of our life and we should learn from that. You should develop the attitude to turn your weaknesses into your strengths. At this moment, I would like to give an advice. Dear students, see yourself as good human beings. Be grateful to all the people who have helped you in your life at any point of time. Be kind to all. You should also be fair in whatever work you do. And you should always have honesty in doing your work. We all pray from God to guide you to the path of success, to learn the honesty, optimistic thinking and values in your life. So in the end, on behalf of all the teachers, I again wish you a very happy Children's Day and wish you the best for your future endeavors. May God bless you all. Thank you.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद मैडम। अब मैं इस कार्यक्रम को समापन की ओर ले जाना चाहता हूँ और सभी प्राचार्य महोदय और सभी विद्यालय परिवार की ओर से आप सभी को एक बार फिर से बाल दिवस की ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।